Welcome back. It's officially summertime, my favorite time of year. It's always warm. We can go to the beach now. And in honor of this, I thought I would try on all of my dresses so that I can figure out which ones I'm going to be keeping and which ones I will be donating. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Beatty. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe. Also, don't be afraid to give it a thumbs up and leave a nice comment down below. Anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, this is a cover-up, so it doesn't count, but I still wanted to show you because it's really cute. I have shorts under. Definitely keeping this one so I could put it over my bikinis. This is kind of the same style. It's just actually a dress. It has a little skirt under for a cover up, but it's the same length. I really like it. I've worn this dress for a couple times actually now. I think I've worn it 3 times. So I'm definitely keeping this one because I actually wear it. This one, not keeping. I really like the color of this, bless you, of this dress. I like it. It just doesn't fit me properly. You know, it's just too loose. But I feel like if I were to tailor it, it'd be cute, right? I like this detail right here. I really like it. But yeah, I think this is one that I would have to probably give away. Tell me that's not cute. If it was actually to my measurements. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. But I think it's cute. I think it's cute. Okay, this is another one that I love. I wore it twice as well. I wore it to Mexico, to the Frida Kahlo winery. I like everything about this. It's like purple, bluish. The back looks like this. I like this detail. So if I were to wear it with my hair up or something, it looks really nice. Fits me nice. Not too tight, not too loose. So I'm for sure keeping this one. Since we're in the blue aesthetic right now, I'm just gonna show you all the blue dresses and then black and then white. Okay, so this is another one. This is a definitely keep. I love how it hugs my body. Love the color and the back. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This would be more for like summer dinners, nice fancy restaurants. This is the dress that I would probably wear to a date. Okay, this is the next dress. I've worn this dress twice. It's not my favorite. It makes me look like a mom. And it's also a little too big for me. I have to tie this string a little too much for it to actually fit me nice. So I don't think I'll be keeping this, but I thought it was cute when I first got it. This is the next dress. I really like it. I am definitely keeping it. I love how it hugs my body. I like that this is covered. I think this is the perfect kind of dress that I go for when I do buy dresses, but it's also like an office dress, so I won't be using it for the summer. Here's a newer dress that I recently got, but it does not fit me correctly. It's a little too loose for my hair, so I'll probably get it tailored and then it'll fit like this. But this dress, I was so excited for it because picnics and stuff, this is the perfect dress for it. I am gonna keep it, but I am gonna get it fixed so it actually fits me nicely. It is short for the summer, but I think it's perfect. Here's another dress. It is very see-through. I'd probably leave this for like the beach as a cover-up because you can definitely see my bra. I'm not sure if you can see the shorts, but I have shorts on. I like this color though for the summertime. I feel like colorful stuff looks the best on me because, I don't know, I just like colorful stuff, and I think the summer is the time to wear these kind of colors. Yeah, so I'm keeping this, but probably not like for a everyday dress type of thing, more for the beach. This is the next dress. I wouldn't wear it for the summer, so I don't think I'm keeping this for summer. Definitely keeping this one only because of the little pockets, but I also like the color. The color is very nice. I enjoy this color. This is what it looks like from the back. So it's like a little split, but you could barely tell. And yeah, this is a very flowy summery dress. I could see myself wearing this out during this time. This is another short dress that I have. I wore this to Seattle one summer. It is a little short, but I really like it. I like how it's just flared out. Let me know in the comments if I should keep this one though, because it is black. I'm not really a fan of wearing black during the summer. I'm a more colorful girly. This one also has pockets, so take that into consideration when voting if I should keep it. I like it. I think I'm gonna keep it, but let me know in the comments. But and then it's just all around black. So yeah, this is one that I wanted to like. I really did. But I don't know if I'm loving these sleeves right here. I feel like restricted in a way. It's very uncomfortable. And then when I raise my hands, you can like see my shorts. So it's very, very short. I don't think I'm going to be keeping this one. These things too, they're also very awkward. Like they fall. So yeah, I don't think I will be keeping this one. This one I wore to a winery. I love this dress. I like how it flows. Love the color. I also love the back. So I think I will keep this for one more summer. Altered right here, the little ruffle detail right here, and then the little tie. Surprisingly, I like the sleeves too, even though I'm not really big on like dresses with sleeves, but these aren't too bad. Like the dress doesn't really move if I put my hands up, or you know, I like that. I like that it doesn't move. So I'm keeping this one. Here is the last dress. I like this one. I just don't like how it's like see-through where like you can see my bra. But other than that, I like how it flows. I like the little ruffles down here. You can see them. And then this little extra detail. I like it, it's fun, but will I wear it? Probably not. So I shouldn't keep it. So in total, I think I got rid of 5 dresses or 6. I don't know, let me know. I lost count. So let me know in the comments below. But I think this is necessary because obviously if it's, so the rule that I am going by is if it's not an absolute yes, it's a no. And this one, it's cute and everything, but it's not a yes. It's cute and maybe I'll wear it, but it's not. So I'm getting rid of it. Anyways, that was all for this video. Don't forget to check out Vanity Bay for your little cute nails. Also, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it or it inspired you to clean out your closet. I feel like it's time to clean out closets. I'm definitely going to be doing that. That was all for this video. Thank you all so much for spending time with me and taking time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great, great summer. Love you.